So we got a call for a razor that has rolled and on the side of a hill and needs to be rescued. So we're gonna head out there and see if we can get it. Got Ed here with the weather.
Yeah, it's a little cloudy. Not much wind, which is unusual, and hot.
Jamie and Skeeter in the back.
You got Peanut back here trying to stay cool.
Peanut's in the back. So we hadn't shot this introduction yet, and we were driving out here, and we saw someone stuck on the side of the road. So we went and helped them first.
There's no way I'm going forward, I think.
So we're gonna have Jamie do this job.
Sandals good for sand?
No, and I always seem to have them on.
Why do they call them sandals if they're not even good for sand?
That looks so easy.
All right, buddy.
Okay, take care.
Safe. Got her out, huh, Matt?
Yeah, we got him out.
Oh, it rolled to the bottom of here.
Yeah.
That's a long ways down.
Not down to the bottom of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are. Down this one? Yeah. Okay. You said you can see it. We'll walk down there. We'll drive down there. Okay, we'll go look at it.
The hill when I
Way down the canyon.
stick down there, Ed.
Yeah, he's
Well, let's walk down there and see what we're up against. This is not going to be easy to walk back up.
So it was about right here where you come off.
Yeah, I was coming up right here, got stuck right here, wouldn't go forward, transmission started smoking, and then just rolled.
That was definitely scary, I'm sure.
Yeah.
That's a long ways down. Did it hurt? Kind of soft, huh?
Yeah.
Mostly, anyway.
Most of the way.
Luckily.
We have racing harness, so it was fine.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at the thorns on these.
Right there.
Oh my gosh. They're like, they'll go all the way through your hand.
I think going out through here is not a good option.
It's just too many trees, you think?
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm just going to grab this A-arm and pivot this around until we can get it back on its wheels. You know what? I'm going to have you run up there. Jamie, release the winch and he's going to drag the winch down here to me. So run up there and grab that winch from her. Whichever way's easiest for you.
Oh, yeah, that was
Heck yeah. I'm going to put Austin on the clock here.
One more roll in there, they would have been.
Of all them branches,
Oh, dude.
thorns sticking
Those
in there.
things go right into you.
Oh, I just went through there. So they're going to be dragging down my Freedom winch line, and I don't have to tell them anything. I don't have to say, hey, make sure you bring shackles, make sure you bring a, what, you know, hook or whatever. No, that's a Freedom winch line. I was just explaining that. Just the safety and the speed and the
Oh yeah.
convenience. I will never run anything else. Why do you wear pants? This is why I wear pants.
The sharpest object you can imagine.
Ow. Man, they are
The last shot of this video will be us pulling thorns out of it.
pulling thorns up. Okay, go ahead and run it.
Okay, buddy.
Okay, stop. Okay, this is gonna be kind of short bursts. So when I say run it, count to 2 and let off. Okay, go.
Hey, come here.
That was not 2. Go. Go. This is working.
Yeah.
This is what I wanted. Go.
These things, listen.
What's that? Okay, let it out. All right. That's good. Go. Go. Stop. Put it in reverse and dig yourself a little hole. Okay, pull it.
Oh, that's working.
And then we'll be able to pull it back up on its wheels in
Yeah.
a second. I wonder if I can just go right here and do this.
Yeah, I think.
This might be enough right here.
Yeah, I think so. Just to upright it. Peanut out of the way. I think so.
Yeah.
She's by me.
Okay, thanks, bud.
I'll be on its wheels here in a second. Okay, Skeeter, ask me why we didn't put a winch blanket on the line.
Hey, Matt, how come we didn't put a winch blanket on the line?
Oh man, I love that question. Thanks, Skeeter.
You're welcome.
Okay, let it out gently. Super gently. One more. Stop. Whoa. All right.
What do you think, Ed?
I'm hanging on.
So we're probably down about 4 psi. We're gonna see if we can crawl out of this.
We kind of let Jamie get off the road.
See what Rudy's up to. Your Rubicon running good enough to save my bacon?
Where you at?
The Horseshoe Bend. Just need a winch.
Send me your location, I'll be there.
All right, thanks.
Hey, this thing survived.
Oh yeah.
Good.
Oh yeah. I
I
was
don't see any
surprised.
broken anything, really.
So we're just here in the shade of a tree waiting for Rudy. Ed and Jamie are up in the Jeep. Skeeter's over there in a tree somewhere. Let me check the weather for you really quick. It's over 100. I don't know what it is though. My phone's too hot to turn on. So I finally got my phone to turn on and the weather says it's currently 103 degrees with a 1 mile an hour wind, but it ain't here.
No, it's much hotter here.
Wow. Yeah. You want me to add a rope to this? I'll probably need it. You want me to just come off of this point right here? That's fine. Okay.
That's maxed out all the way. It's right to the very end.
Here you go. Matt's gone all he's gonna go. There should be 2 soft shackles and a rope. This better do it. Okay, just give it a little gas. That's a long ways down there. All right.
chromoly ones?
Oh man. We are back at the shop to fix yet another U-joint because this axle is not big enough for the work that we're doing. Since the big axle hasn't been built yet, we're gonna slap another Band-Aid on the old girl in the form of a U-joint, and we're gonna try to go even more gentle on the gas pedal. This one did less damage than the other one, ish. I think this is an aftermarket, but we're gonna reuse it because it's not completely ruined. All right, 4340. Is that chromoly? What's the one we broke? Factory. Oh my goodness, that's exciting news. In there. All right. Now what? All right, that was super cool of Rudy to come out and rescue us because we were in a tight spot.
Yeah, that was a lot of heat stroke we were having, and going straight downhill, and Ed was not happy.
Yeah, Ed was ready to be out of there. We got the customer's razor out. They were happy. We all ended up eventually being happy. The Banana is back together. We have a plan for the Dana 60 front axle, and thanks for watching.
I'm not quite so agile.